That is some good matcha. Is it just me or does my glasses look crooked? I should probably wear my retainer though. My teeth is doing all sorts of crip walking shenanigans. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and join the family because I would love to have you here. So as you can see from the title below, your sis is going in with a Patrick Ta palette today. I'm super excited to be doing this video because one of you guys actually requested it here on my channel for me to do this review. And number two, I did a whole poll on Instagram. If you don't follow me there, make sure you do, asking you guys which video you would like to see first, the Patrick Ta palette review or the M Cosmetics So Soft collection review. And it was very close, so you guys will be seeing that video as well, inshallah, in the future. But it was nice to have that interaction with you guys when it comes to like what videos you would like to see next. I'm gonna be doing that a lot more often. But yeah, with that being said, make sure you guys go ahead and grab your matcha, grab your water, your snacks, whatever it is, sis, get your treats, okay? Get comfortable and let's get to it. And this is what the palette looks like, guys. I love the like rose gold mirror packaging. It's super sleek. It's giving me luxe, okay? And then this is what the shades look like, guys. This is very much for the girls who love a soft glam moment. This one is for you. I feel like it's definitely giving me like essentials vibes, you know? And this is also kind of like a first impressions to the brand for me because I've tried their eyebrow gel, but that's pretty much it. I've never tried anything else from Patrick Ta, but I've always seen them hyped on TikTok and on Instagram, so I'm excited to see how the palette performs. So first I'm gonna start off with this shade right over here and see how it looks as a transition color. And I'm just picking that up on this Sigma Dream Large Blend brush. A lot of the brushes today that I might use are gonna be from their Sigma x Beauty Bird collection because I just wanted to give it a try, and plus it's like a marble design, guys, so it's so cute. And my initial thoughts on how it's blending so far for the matte shades, blending really flawlessly. And I'm not surprised because I have high expectations for this palette because of how much people hype up Patrick Ta palettes in general or products in general. Okay, so I'm loving how that looks, so I'm gonna go back in with the palette and I'm gonna pick up this shade right over here just to intensify our crease. And I'm picking that up with my Sigma Dream blending brush. So I just went ahead and cleaned up my lid off camera, did like a little bit of a half cut crease situation like I always do. But this time I went in with the MAC Paint Pot, which is a major throwback. I haven't used this in so long. This is in the shade Laying Low. And now I want to dive into this palette and I feel like this shade is really calling my name for like the inner corner, and then I kind of want to blend it out to another shimmer. I think that would be so cute. So I'm going to start off with that. And that is what this shade is looking like, guys. I like it. It's very soft. And I'm leaning towards this shade right over here and then starting to blend in that darker brown maybe into it near the end. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do now. And I'm just picking that up on my Sigma Dream Fluffy Shader brush. Oh yeah, that's a pretty shade. That literally actually matches with my hijab perfectly, guys. This is gonna be it. I see the vision and you guys will see it once I start blending it out. So what I'm gonna do is just go back in with the same brush that I used to blend out my crease and then just blend that shade in. I'm happy with how my eyes look like right now, and I'm gonna get back into it once I finish my complexion. So there's like a few new products that I actually want to try, especially this product from Urban Decay. This is their Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. And then I also have these Glow Obsession palettes from Huda Beauty. So since I'm going with an Urban Decay product for complexion, it only makes sense to use their primer as well. So I'm gonna be taking their All Nighter Face Primer. And then for the Tinted Glow Hydrator, I'm gonna take the shade 51 Medium. I think it's gonna be a little light, but we'll see. If not, I have the shade 60 as well that I can mix in. So I'm gonna start off with just a little bit of that. Yeah, that looks like it's gonna be pretty light. So I'm gonna mix in a little bit of number 60 as well. And I'm just gonna blend it out with the MAC 170 brush. Okay, so I'm really loving the finish so far. It's sitting on my skin really nicely, and right now my skin is going through it, guys. Like, I have so much texture. I'm going through a really bad texture breakout at the moment, so I don't want anything that makes my skin look super patchy when I apply product on it. Like, that is not cute. That ain't it, sis. Okay, but I'm gonna go in with some concealer now. I'm gonna take this one by Too Faced. Of course, this is their Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer, and I'm gonna take the shade Cookie because I really want a nice brightened under eye today to really help our eyeshadow pop, you know what I mean? To set that in place, of course, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Mini Easy Bake Setting Powder. You guys know I've been loving this so much lately in the shade Banana Bread. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and set my face real quick off camera because it just stains my hijab and ain't nobody got time for that, okay? I noticed the hard way when I had to like edit out the sparkles from my Iconic London favorite setting spray. This is their Prep Set and Glow in the shade Original. So I went in with that, but first I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is the combination that I used. So that's all you guys missed, to be honest. And now I want to go in with some bronzer. And I'm going to be taking this one by LYS Beauty. I really like their bronzer. This is their No Limits matte bronzer in the shade Courage, and I'm just picking it up on this brush from Sigma as well, part of the Dream collection. And then for blush, I'm going to be taking one of my favorites by Rare Beauty. This is in the shade Nearly Apricot. It's like the perfect orangey undertone blush. It looks so beautiful on my skin, so I love this color. I always go for it when I'm going for like these types of tones on the eyes because I feel like it complements it really nicely. And I'm just gonna be taking my blush just a little higher up this time because I've seen all over TikTok that this helps lift the face a little more when you just bring it up a little higher than just having it like right on the apples of your cheeks. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm gonna go in with some highlight now, and I'm gonna take this Rich Glow Obsessions palette. It's a mini face palette from Huda Beauty, and this is what the shades look like. So beautiful, guys. There's so many different shades that you can work with, and I'm obsessed. And I'm gonna take that on my Sephora Pro Highlight 98 brush, and I'm just gonna go in with this shade right over here. Wait, I actually love how that's sitting on the skin, guys. When I look in person, it just blends in with my complexion so perfectly. So now that we're done with the base, I'm gonna dive back into our eyes. I'm gonna pick up this shade that we used in our crease and just smudge it on my lower lash line just to have like a little bronzy, smoky eye moment going on, if you know what I mean. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and applied some falsies and some mascara on my lower lash line. For mascara, I took this one by Benefit. This is their Real Magnetic Mascara. And for my lashes, I went in with a pair from Lena Lashes. I think it looks so beautiful. And I think the style is pronounced Ama, but if I butchered that, my apologies. But anyways, I just love how it really brought this look to life. Is it not giving? Period. So now we're gonna finish off this look with a lip combo, and I'm gonna be taking this lip liner from Boxum. This is their Creamy Chocolate Power Line lip liner, and then I'm gonna go in the center with this Huda Beauty cream lipstick in the shade Raja. And yeah guys, that is the final lip. Is it not fitting this makeup look perfectly? It's like a nice classic nude, you know? So can't go wrong with that. But overall, this is the final look, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Like, is this not fire, guys? I mean, it's been a while since I liked a makeup look this much, so I'm really obsessed. Actually, I forgot to put one last touch that I wanted to do. I'm gonna take this ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Toucan Do It. It's like a nice bright yellow, and I just wanted to pop a color on my lash line. And see, yeah, I love that. I feel like it's a pop of color, but it's soft, and it goes with this look really nicely. And I feel like it complements my hijab color really well. So it should come out fire in the pics, you know what I'm saying? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This brings me to the end of this tutorial. I'm so happy with how it went. And to give you guys my final thoughts on the Patrick Ta palette, I actually really like it. But I kind of prefer the matte shades in the palette versus the shimmers. But I'll keep you guys posted in like a future makeup look and dabble more into the shimmer shimmer shades because I didn't really use them that much in this eye look. I kind of wanted to go for the more matte approach, you know, on the eyes, and I really like how it turned out. Do I think it's worth the coins? Definitely, because the pigment is there, the blendability is there. So I'm really glad that it lived up to the hype for me, and I'm really happy that I got a chance to try it out. So thank you to you guys for suggesting it to me. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, make sure you subscribe and join the family because I would love to have you here. Turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my uploads, and let me know what your thoughts are on this look in the comment section below. And like always, I'll see you guys in my next video.